Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed and styled this hair that I received from Wiggins Hair. So this wig is actually a U-part 22-inch body wave wig, and it came in this nice little packaging. It came with like a little bag. Inside the bag was a wig cap. It also came with a nice pair of lashes, which I definitely will be using because I am always misplacing my little lashes I'll be buying. It also came with the edge brush and an elastic band, and the hair came in like this little plastic bag. Came with like a hairnet around it, so I'm just taking the hairnet off and then showing you guys how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. It is really nice hair, y'all. It's nice and full. This wig is 180% density, so it's pretty full, and I love the texture of it. And like I said, this is a U-part wig, so the little cutout area at the top is for your leave out, and you would just cut this little string that's in the middle. It's just there to kind of hold the wig together for now. And it came with lots of clips, so your wig will definitely be secure. It came with 3 clips around the U part, and it also came with clips around the perimeter. It also has an adjustable band in the back, so in case you want your wig to be like extra secure, you can always secure it in the back and use the clips as well. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is just cutting off that band that was holding together the front part of the wig, and right now I'm just kind of sizing it up to make sure it's going to fit my leave out that I left out. So I'm just trying to see exactly where I want to place it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clip it onto my braids. And then I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch the installation process. But like I said, I really do love this hair. I really wanted like a natural look, and this hair definitely gave me a natural look. I didn't even have to do anything to the hair. Literally, I just put it on, straightened my hair, and was out the door. And as I mentioned, this is their 22-inch body wave U-part wig. I will have all of the details for this hair in my description box. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the install and the styling. Definitely go and check out Wiggins Hair. I am in love with it. 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10.